Well, beyond the commissioning, I mean, the fact that we have now finally got to a position where we can begin to refine products, particularly PMS, petrol, and diesel locally, is, it's a breakthrough. So what it means is that we will be saving up to $3 billion a year from not importing. That's more than the amount we spend today on all infrastructure, education, and health. That sort of money is coming back for growth. So just put it in such basic terms. But beyond it, is that certainty of supply, that capacity to now not only produce for your markets, but to be able to export to the rest of the continent, and not just import the kind of products you used to. You're now processing and refining better quality products, international grade products. Before now, the bulk of what we used to buy was like low grade, so it affected our vehicles. The maintenance records of our vehicles were lower than everywhere else. But today, you're producing something that's international grade, and you can now sell and earn more for it. So, for me, this is the game changer for Nigeria, because it not only saves you what you used to spend on imports, it's now even giving you the capacity to earn more. So you are saving and also earning more. And look at the other materials that will come out of your refinery, particularly the petrochemical plants. I mean, everything else here, you see, it's all plastics, all petrochemicals. That means we now have the base materials to produce most of these things that we need for packaging, for equipment, like everywhere else. And that's big exports for us. The biggest challenge in Nigeria today is jobs for young people. Okay? Why haven't we created a number of jobs that I believe we should, given our size? Beyond just investing in facilities like this that create direct jobs, the materials being produced here will now have what's called a multiply effect on a whole range of industries, right? So I don't know, maybe you are in the business of food processing. All your packaging materials in the past, you wait to be imported. Today, you can make those your packaging here, which means that you can do more. So what we see is that this is the leapfrog, the lever you need for industrialization, for creating the materials small businesses need to be efficient, to be competitive, to do their work.
Sir, please.